There is going to be a beautiful treasure inside this box, and you're going to love that. It's a Kanjivaram, and it's from Vastram. Vanakkam, Sunita here. And I have very less words to explain. It was a sari which was in our stock for 3 months or so. Then the beauty of the sari wasn't being able to be shown or whatnot. Like I was not sure. Such a beautiful sari. Why is it not able to get attracted or get its own owner? Then we thought we'll do something for the sari to make it even more graceful, and that's how this idea had come into. Let's open up the sari to understand how beautiful this Kanjivaram. It's a cream Kanjivaram. On this Maggam work has been done, and very classily a highlight has happened on the border, and some nice beautiful embroideries has happened, and the sari is so authentic, a pure zari, and the scluffing is never to be missed. Scluffing gives an extra beauty when you put it on a single pleat, because that's where it runs on your body, and the body feels as though it's got some extra embellishments. Now let's open up the sari to understand. Wow, there are beautiful paisleys, okay? They're all woven, on which we have just done a green color highlighting, double-sided border, a pretty Kanjivaram, and the price is also astounding. It's just 20,500. Grab this. Opening up, it's going to be even more attractive because we've done some nice jewel design. You remember we made a horseshoe design? The same thing, we have done the Maggam work over here also. We're trying to show it to you in close. Look at the work. My God, the color combinations of red and the green, the emerald and the ruby are so pretty. Along with this gajja, what do you call those anklet kind of thing, is also being very beautifully given, and this is strategically placed in locations of 1 meter or so, 1 feet, 1.5 feet, and throughout 7 to 8 pieces have been completely work done, Maggam work done. Look at the scluffing over there in the topping. When this comes on your body part, you know, you feel like it's nice, just not the single lining sari. As such, the sari is a classy. Look at the elegant color combination of the sari. It's a nice pastel pink and a pure zari Kanjivaram. Along with that, the sari, entire sari happens to look like this. Even those paisleys that are woven here, one is woven with thread and the one is woven with zari. All those paisleys have been highlighted with beautiful pink and contrast coloring threads, and the blouse of the sari is another beauty. Just don't miss it. It's a beautiful bridal collection and a party wear for sure. If you have occasions coming up, grab this beauty. She's going to make you feel even more honored with her presence and with her grace, and her color combination is just so definitely a head turner. You will be noticed without any second doubt about it. Look at her. She is so happily posing herself for you to make you take her and take her home and make her yours. This is the beautiful sari. This is the border. See, when I'm explaining, I'm just enjoying what I'm doing. That's the biggest success of our story, and that's where people notice us. I am really enjoying. This work is very pretty. It's very correct color combinations make a product perfect. A picture perfect things happens rarely, and this is one. Hey, what more to talk? Yeah, it's so damn pretty. Just go grab it. It's so beautiful, and the whole sari has the same work done all throughout. Not even till the edge of the sari the work continues. Nowhere it stops. Aage sari run through madi. The blouse is another beauty. Combination itself is classy. Look at the way it's been placed. After that, there is another twist and turn for it. It's coming box style happens after the 3 meters. Ellinda antanu torsi. Among those missing boxes, the Maggam work has again happened. Let me make you understand how this classy beauty remains. This is the designer part of it. This makes the sari even more designer. It's not just the running border all throughout. These boxes come in each of the flits that you keep and makes you feel so special, telling you just a sari with a designer touch makes a lot of difference. That's how Vastram has grabbed a lot of attraction and love and affection for the collection, for the weaving, for the taste and the combinations, and definitely for the quality. So the first half that comes on the top portion, oh my. That's the pallu, rich pallu, border completely on the base. So if you're going to flit them or leave them in single, the grandness is definitely there and never missed at all. Oh my god. And as you go back, it is just the sari and those strategically placed boxes, which is going to make another head turner. Hey, what is that? There is a flit without zari and there is a flit with zari, and that is a checker. And without part has this, and a with part, a flit with part will have zari, and this part won't have zari, and that without part has got beautiful embellishments. What more can you ask, guys? Just go grab this beautiful Kanjivaram and enjoy having her in your wardrobes. From Vastram, with love, ever and forever. Thank you so much. Happy shopping. I'm not able to just stop this video because she's so pretty. Where did I miss her so long? How did she not get her owner yet? I don't know. Seriously, she's just waiting for you. Grab her.